Hey guys, Lauren here from the Mellow Vapes in Statesville, and I wanted to show you a new mod today. We have carried this mod in the past, and we're happy to carry it again. Just like any Voopoo product, I personally vote for this mod and anything Voopoo. Voopoo has really impressed me in overall quality of their manufacturing and everything that's come across this shop from them. Today, I would like to show you the Voopoo Mojo. The Voopoo Mojo is a built-in battery box mod with a 2600 mAh built-in battery. It comes with the Voopoo U-Force tank. The U-Force tank has several coils available for it. It top fills, replaceable mouthpieces, screws apart, very easily held together with the coil, the familiar system, but with the quality of a Voopoo product. It is an 88 watt mod, and you're gonna turn this mod on with just a few clicks, just like that, I think, yeah. And I do like the style of this mod because they put their buttons in a unique place here on the sides where you can adjust your wattage up and down right here, and that is your fire button. So guys, quick review and walk around of the Voopoo Mojo. I think it is excellent. You can feel the solid construction in this mod and everything else that Voopoo has done. The coil variety available for this tank and this device, there's probably at least 8 to 10 different coils that I can think of you can run on this. I've tried several of them personally, and they're all awesome. Can't wait to see you guys down here to check out the Voopoo Mojo. And guys, just letting you know, this weekend only, it is 15% off of all new mods and starter kits for Mother's Day, guys. So it would be a really good time to pick up the Voopoo Mojo for mom. See you later.